Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another first impressions video. Today we are reviewing the MAC Cosmetics Glow Play Blush. I watched a couple of YouTubers reviewing the product, saying that it's super nice, especially for summer time, so I decided to try it out. You know my love for the Charlotte Tilbury Pingasm cream highlighter slash blush, and I love it. I use it for 2 years now and I love it. Again, I wanted to try something new on and today the day we are reviewing the Glow Play Blush from MAC, and the color is that's Peachy. It looks like this. That's the packaging. Super nice. So I have my foundation on. I'm a little bit pale because I don't have any bronzer or blush, so now we're doing this. Not sure if I want to try out this color or the natural one, but yeah, I went for the bold one because it's summer and strong scent. Not my favorite, to be honest. Yeah, this is the color, but yeah, it's gorgeous. And the texture, it's a bit bouncy, you can see. Okay, so either you can use your finger or blender, or in this case I'm using the MAC 188 stippling brush because I love to use it for my cream products, and this is cream to powder kind of formula. Yeah, that's the swatch, but it would be better if I apply it right here. Let's try. How much? I don't know about you, but I love a blushy look for summer. Nice. Let's put some more. Nice. So here's the face with blush. Let's apply some more. There is... First, I love the color for my skin tone. I think it's really flattering, and also it leaves a really nice glow. And it's not that creamy as it's not cream blush. I think it's really pretty. Let's apply more on the other half of my face. Well, to be honest, I'm not super impressed by the product. You can surely build it up. I mean, it's nice, it's settled, but the formula I'm not the biggest fan of. I'm back. I applied just a little bit of powder here and here and no bronzer because I really wanted to show you just the blush once again. I mean, it's pretty. I like the color, I like the shade. It's just, it's not my favorite formula for sure. And yeah, maybe if you like more of my dog. Maybe if you prefer more settle or more natural kind of look, this will be your choice. But again, I like more of a shiny, not shiny, I like more of a wet look and more highlighting blush formula. So this one, I mean, it's pretty, but it's really natural. And again, if you're that kind of gal, then you can really try. They have many shades. I was drawn to this one, but yeah, I think I'll still use it now in summer and afterwards. But yeah, that's these are my first thoughts on the product. Let me know in the comments if you have used the product and what do you think about it. Let me know in the comments also what kind of product you want me to review next here on my channel. And also follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!